There you have it. So there you go, folks. With a little love and patience, you can enjoy that classic Jollibee style fried chicken right at home. Welcome to my channel, to this episode of Cooking Like a Pro. Today, we're going to show you how to recreate that mouth-watering Jollibee style fried chicken in the comfort of your own kitchen. So, put on your apron and let's get cooking. Let's start the ingredients. You'll need Step 1. Marinating. Place your chicken in a bowl and put calamansi juice, add salt, add black pepper powder, add garlic powder, cover and let them soak in 2 hours, or overnight for the best result. This helps the chicken extra tender and flavorful. Step 2. Breading. In separate bowl, combine the flour, cornstarch, baking powder, black pepper powder, garlic powder, and crispy fried breading mix. Mix it all together.
Two hours later.
Add an eggs and marinated chicken, and we'll start coating. Now, take a flour mixture and add to the bowl of chicken. Allowing any excess to drip off, coat it thoroughly with the seasoned flour mixture. Make sure every nook and cranny is covered. For extra crispy Jollibee goodness, repeat the breading process. Dip each chicken piece into the water, and then into the flour mixture again. This double coating is the secret to that perfect crunch. Step 3. Frying. Put the oil into the deep frying pan and heat the cooking oil in medium heat. Carefully slide in the breaded chicken pieces, one by one. Make sure not to overcrowd the fan. Fry them for about 10 to 15 minutes until they're golden brown and cook through. While we wait our fried chicken, we cook on other side. We cook also our gravy sauce. Put a butter. Just melt the butter and add flour. Add spoon of black pepper powder. Add water and stir to dissolve the flour. Add more water and stir it again. Add the spoon of soy sauce. Add seasoning. Add salt for better taste. Add 1 spoon of sugar. Now, our gravy sauce are ready and set aside. Let's go back to our fried chicken we're cooking. Step 4. Drain and serve. Once your chicken is beautifully crispy, remove them from the oil and place on the wire rack or paper towels to drain the excess oil. Serve them up hot and crispy with your favorite dipping sauces. And there you have it, your very own Jollibee style fried chicken. So there you go, folks, with a little love and patience, you can enjoy that classic Jollibee fried chicken right at home. Thanks for joining us on Cooking Like a Pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!